By travel distance, it means the cutting wire, here the cutting wire, it can move to this place. So the total distance is 300 millimeter or 400 millimeter. That also called stroke distance. And this loading table can rotate. So if you put a material at diameter 200, the cutting wire need to cut from the edge to the center of the material here. The first slice will be cut off because it's rotate. So if you want to cut through a diameter 200 millimeter, actually the cutting wire only need to move 200 millimeter. And to make sure, we usually set it 202 millimeter. If you want to cut a diameter 1000 millimeter, the distance should be 500, and normally you set 508 millimeter. So the y-axis distance need to be 550 is enough.